Hello, in this video we are going to create blog in blogger.com. Let's get started. First open google.com and search for blogger. Now open first link you can see is blogger.com. Now click on arrow and click on new blog. Now enter your blog name. Click next. Then enter your blog address. Click save. That's it. Our blog is ready. Now let's write first post. Click on new post. Enter your post title here. Enter some content here and click on publish. Now let's see preview by clicking on eye icon. See. Now let's change theme. I am going to change theme. Let's see this blue or green. Click apply. Now refresh the page. See, you can see the changes. Now let's go to settings. Now we are going to see how to add domain. Click on custom domain and add your custom domain URL. Like I have this URL. Click on save. Now it will give us error. You just want to create these CNAME records on your service providers end like GoDaddy, Cloudflare, whatever you have DNS provider. That's it.